Hey there! So today I wanted to talk to you guys about one of the biggest things that I'm an advocate for, and that is a healthy media diet. And it can be broken down into three parts. So the first one is, what are they doing? Meaning your kids. Are they taking pictures? Are they watching TV? Or are they using an app? Either way, you just gotta figure out what it is that they're doing. The second part is, how long are they doing it? Staring at a screen for an extended amount of time isn't good for anyone, let alone children who are trying to develop. So keep an eye on the clock, and remember that extended screen time can also lead to attention problems as well as sleep problems, so watch out for that. The third and final aspect of a healthy media diet is it developmentally appropriate? Children epitomize the saying, monkey see, monkey do. So you don't want your children watching things that may not be appropriate for their age that they may mimic or copy in an outside situation. So there it is. Healthy media diet. Hope you guys learned as much as I did this semester, and we'll see you later.